Hi dear friends, this is Swadesh Modogi. You are watching video from Impact, the Spoken English Club. I am going to discuss today another important topic, which is the future. We know it very well, the future. Actually, I meant to say here the future time. We can divide time into three categories: past, present and future. Present means now, and whatever is coming after present time, which is now, okay, is future. We know it very well what future means. So any action which will take place in future time can be expressed in a number of ways. Okay, we can use a number of forms, okay, sentence formations to refer to any action which takes place in future. Okay, please look at the example. Number one, this is very common formation. We use will or shall with the base form of the verb for the future action or any action which takes place in future time. Okay, any future statement. For example, I have given here, this book will change your life. Okay, we use a number of examples like I will play cricket, I will write a poem, I will write a storybook, okay, I will eat rice, they will play cricket, okay, they will compose a poem. So this is very common and very easy. This formation is known to you, I think. So beside any future statement, we can also use this formation to refer to any prediction or definite opinion. Okay, for example, I can say here, definite opinion. My father will fall in ill. Okay, or my father will get admitted into the hospital for few days. This is my definite opinion. Okay, so please try to understand. Here I am giving you another formation. This is also another formation. We can use this formation to refer to any future action. Okay, be going to plus base form. Be going to. Be means any form of be verb. Okay, we can actually use this formation to refer to any present situation which points to the future or any present intention. Okay, present intention. For example, it may be my present intention is I am going to start my own business. Okay, I have given here this example. I am going to start my own business. Okay, this refers to that I am going to start my own business in future time. Okay, this will take place in future. And any present situation which points to the future. I am watching the wall and I think this wall is going to fall down soon. Okay, look at the example. This wall is going to fall down soon. So this is a present situation, but this situation points to the future. Okay, so we can use this formation to refer to these activities. Okay, number 3, there is present continuous. We know it very well, it is present continuous, but present continuous can be used to refer to future action okay, or any action which will take place in future, especially when someone has arranged to do, okay, someone has arranged to do something. Okay, for example, I have given here, my friend is going to Canada. My friend is going to Canada. Okay, he has arranged, my friend has arranged the necessary action to go to Canada. For example, he has bought the ticket. Okay, so the arrangement has already been done. That's why we can say here present continuous. Okay, my friend is going to Canada. Next, there is another formation, present simple. It is also very common to us, present simple, but present simple can also be used to refer to an action which will take place in future, especially an action which is a part of a timetable, which is a part of a timetable. For example, the train leaves at 16:40. Okay, the train, when will the train leave? The train leaves, present simple, but it is indicating an action which will take place in future. Okay, the train leaves at 16:40. This is a part of a timetable. And number 5, there is B2 plus base form. B2, B means any form of B verb. Okay, M2, is2, R2, whatever, no problem. B2 plus base form. This formation is also used to refer to an action which will take place in future, especially the action which is one of the official arrangements. Okay, for example, the Prime Minister is to visit. Look at the formation. The Prime Minister is to visit to West Bengal. Okay, the Prime Minister is to visit to West Bengal, or the Chief Minister is to visit to Coast Bihar. Okay, so this is an official arrangement. So there are also another formations. Number 6 I have given here. Number 6, be about to plus base form. Be about to. Okay, be means here is also any form of be. Am about to, is about to, are about to. Okay, no problem. Actually, be about to, I can cite here. Okay, I am about to leave my home. Okay, so this is also an example of an action which will take place in future time. Okay, my friend is about to leave the game. Okay, quit the game. My friend is about to quit the game. Okay. Next, number 7, future continuous. So, future continuous, it is, I think the formation is known to you. Okay. In this formation, we use shall be or will be with active participle. Okay. Or the ing form of the main verb. And we use this formation to refer to an action which will take place or which will continue over a period of time, over a period of future time. Okay. For example, I shall be doing my home task tomorrow at this time. Okay, that means I will be in the meat of the task. Is it clear? I think it is clear to you. Okay. In the action, okay, when the action will continue in the future time, I will be in the mid of the action when I am referring to this action. Okay. And there is another formation, number 8, future perfect. Okay, we know the formation of perfect. In future perfect, we use have been and has been. Actually, we use shall have or will have. Okay, we use shall have or will have with the passive participle or perfect participle. Okay. We use this formation to refer to any action, okay, any action which will be over, which will be completed at a future time, which will be completed as at a future time. Okay. For example, I shall have completed my project by next Monday. Okay. I shall have written a story by next June. Okay, so I shall have completed, I shall have written, okay, and he will have, I can give here example with a third person or with any other person. He will have completed, okay, he will have done, okay, he will have finished his writing by next June. Okay, so I think this is clear to you. We can use a number of formations to refer to actions which will take place in future time. Okay, so in the video which I have uploaded as tense, okay, different tenses, and in that video I told you that actually there is no future tense in English. We can use the term the future as time, okay, not tense. In English there are only two tenses, present and past. Okay, so today up to this. Thank you.